Hello guys, so I'm playing right now Grow a Garden in Roblox. So as you can see here, I'm playing it and collecting the fruits and some vegetables in there. Yeah, right. And yeah, I'm gonna sell it. Yeah, that's it. $36,134. And this, the back to our garden, and I'm trying to get a coconut but it's hard to get. So can you give me a hint guys how to get it properly and easier? Comment down below, like and subscribe.